Okay, what's going on, guys? This is DJ coming at you with another video, and in today's video I want to show you how to make a GIF in Photoshop. Let's get into it. First thing you want to do is you want to get a clip, and I guess the suggested rule of thumb is that you have a clip that's 10 seconds or shorter. It can be any clip you want. I'm gonna mess around with a couple clips and then kind of see what I can do here. But first thing you want to do is you want to go to File, Options, and you want to go down to Import, and you video frames to layer. We're just gonna choose this section here. And the thing that I think will help you out the most and stop you from having any problems with this is to make sure that you have the make frames animations. Make sure that's clicked on, and then from beginning to end, you can actually customize the length of the video. I already made this one the length that I wanted it to be, so for the most part, jujitsu. So that's pretty much good there. So it'll produce a large one, that's fine. Gonna let it render out, and then we're gonna continue here. After it finishes the progress, you'll see the files here on the right hand side, as you can see. And the one thing that I've discovered is I always used to try to put, if I wanted to put text on here, I would put it wherever you want, but you want to make sure that this text is at the top, because if you put it at the bottom, text on layer 1, it'll only show for one frame. So you have to put it at the top frame, which is the ending frame, and the ending frame is wherever the layers end, depending on the length of the video. And I think mine is probably closer to like 300 frames, so much close, 311. So it's there, and then I just start customizing what I wanted to say, and where I wanted to be placed. I'm just gonna type turtle power. I think we're gonna make it a little bigger, and this part is really just a matter of preference, really. So, and obviously that's, I'm gonna make it a little bigger, and I'm gonna try to make it a little more three-dimensional as well. I don't want it there. Let's just say I want to see 175. Looks a little better. Okay, and then I'm gonna put some stroke around it, like a white color, and then I'm gonna mess around with the texture a little bit. That looks a little better. Contour, stroke, a little outer glow. I could probably make the stroke a different color, see what red looks like. I'm trying to make it like stand out a little bit. We're just gonna go with that. I actually like the look of that. So, and then make sure it's in the right spot, and it's the last layer of the video, so it should be good to go. And then now after that, all you do is you just go to export, and you export, go to save for web legacy. Click on that, let that load. Okay, it finally popped up, and the one thing you want to do here at this instance is you want to drop this down, because it's taking up 100% of the frame, and you can see it's like halfway chopped off a little bit. So I usually just go down to 25 to 50%, let that process, and then you can hit play to look at it and see what it looks like. And there it is. And you just, if you want to save it, I'm probably going to take it back up to 50% just to make it a little bigger. And this is really just a matter of preference. So, okay, I think that's good now. And then you just save it, hit save, and then ideally you want to just name it something. I'll just go with turtle power, save to the location I want to save it in, and there you go. Once it finished processing, you're good to go. And I want to show you guys what the actual GIF looks like. This is something that I've been doing for the last week or so, just messing around with GIFs and then just making them and seeing what they look like. There it is right there. Okay, if you guys enjoyed the video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.